Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker. We'll explore their features, specifications, and what makes each one unique. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to enjoy refreshing drinks at home, choosing the right ice maker can make all the difference. Let's dive in. The SMUG Countertop Ice Maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is perfect for chilling drinks quickly. On the other hand, the Nugget Ice Maker creates soft, chewable nugget ice that is ideal for cocktails and blended drinks. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your beverage experience, so it's essential to consider your preferences when choosing between these two models. When it comes to price, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker is a budget-friendly choice at just $69, making it accessible for most consumers. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $209, reflecting its premium features and design. If you're looking for an economical solution without sacrificing functionality, the SMUG might be the way to go. However, if you're willing to invest more for nugget ice and a stainless steel finish, the Nugget Ice Maker could be worth it. In terms of ice production, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is quite impressive for its size. However, the Nugget Ice Maker takes the lead with a production capacity of 35.5 pounds per day, making it a better option for larger gatherings or frequent use. If you need a steady supply of ice, the Nugget Ice Maker may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker have their unique advantages. The SMUG offers affordability and portability, while the Nugget Ice Maker provides premium features and higher ice production. Consider your needs, preferences, and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.